Nasyonal.
Formalin ang nagtugawa ka sa Baroa City Administrator ni Attorney Edvon Alan F. Cid, mabenti concurrence apan naka-appointer na iti posisyon. Naidasar iti sanggunyang panlunsod ti City Resolution Number 13 SP-2025-017. Iti pan nakadutok na akas Department Head 1, City Administrator iti lokal na gobyerno iti syudad at Ilawag. Binutusan met iti so amin ang miyembro ti konseho iti nasa o resolusyon ngayon presentara ni sanggunyang panlunsod member RB Ablan. Nagsarita met isang kabasit ti City Administrator sa panangiyam amuna ti bagina kada kwada.
As a requirement for the position, I am a graduate of Juris Doctor degree or Bachelor of Laws. I graduated in 2017 before our prestigious Mariano Marcos State University, and I was admitted to the bar in 2018. I am presently affiliated with Corpus Seed, Lianyo and Dasil Law Offices, of which I have been holding the position of managing partner for 6 years. With that being said, Your Honor, I am humbly asking for the concurrence of this honorable august body, and with it is my concomitant diligent commitment to perform my duties and responsibilities as the City Administrator of the City of Lawag.
Maiya palagip ani Attorney Cid itinang sukat ken ni Attorney Franklin Kalumag akas dati as City Administrator iti syudad. Kadwa iti 99